How much should you really spend on an electric fuel pump? Cheap ones seem to work fine at first, but then fail when you need them most. Expensive ones promise durability, but do they actually last longer? The truth is, price doesn't always mean performance. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, FEDRON Auto Stop Transfer Pump. First up is the FEDRON Automatic Fuel Transfer Pump, a portable battery-powered unit that caught my eye with its auto stop feature and 3.2 gallons per minute flow rate. At $51.35, it's mid-range, but with over 2,000 sold last month, clearly people are trusting it. If you want a safe, hands-free way to move gas or diesel without spills, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The sensitive auto stop sensor shuts off the flow the second the tank is full, no more overflows or guessing. That's huge if you've ever ruined a garage floor or wasted fuel. Plus, it runs on either 4AA batteries or USB-C, so you can power it from a power bank in emergencies. The 51-inch hose and 4 adapter sizes mean it fits most North American gas cans, and at just 1.4 pounds, it's easy to toss in your trunk or toolbox. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling flimsy over time, especially the hose connector. Here's the thing though, for occasional use like camping or emergency refueling, it holds up fine. But if you're using it daily on a job site, you might want something heavier duty. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, portable pump for weekend trips, farm use, or backup fueling. Skip this one if you're running a commercial operation or need metal construction. For the price, it delivers solid value with smart safety features most cheap pumps don't offer. Product number 2, JDM-SPED Universal 12V Pump Kit. Now, if FEDRON's portability isn't your priority and you need something hardwired into a small engine, the JDM-SPED Universal Electric Fuel Pump Kit steps in. Priced at just $15.20, it's one of the cheapest options here, but don't let that fool you. With 1,000 plus sold last month, it's popular for lawn mowers, ATVs, and motorcycles. If you want a no-frills, low-pressure pump that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It delivers 3/6 psi, which is ideal for carbureted engines that can't handle high pressure. Too much pressure floods the carb, this avoids that. Its 12V draws under 1.8A and comes with a fuel filter and 6.56 feet of 5/16 fuel line, so you're not stuck buying extras. Installation is straightforward with 2 mounting holes and simple wire connections. Now, some people complained about inconsistent flow after a few months, especially in cold weather. Here's the thing though, for light-duty use like a riding mower or old motorcycle, it's more than adequate. But if you're relying on it for a generator during a storm, you might want something with better longevity. This is perfect for you if you're fixing up small engines on a budget or need a replacement pump for non-critical applications. Skip this one if you need high flow rates or plan to use it in extreme conditions. At this price, it's a steal for basic functionality. Product number 3, Kiwiosai 3 GPM Portable Siphon Pump. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for off-grid use. The Kiwiosai Electric Fuel Transfer Pump. At $31.19, it's a step up in price, but with 3 gallons per minute flow and dual battery options, it's built for real-world versatility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It runs on either 2 D-cell or 6 AA batteries, so you're never stuck without power. The adjustable nozzle lets you control the flow precisely, great for filling small tanks or avoiding spills. The 38-inch hose is made of durable, odorless material, and it handles gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and even non-potable water. That makes it perfect for RVs, boats, or emergency prep. Now, some people complained about the battery life draining quickly under heavy use. Here's the thing though, it's designed for short bursts, not continuous pumping. If you're filling a 5-gallon can, it's fast and efficient, but don't expect it to run for hours non-stop. This is perfect for you if you camp, boat, or live off-grid and need a reliable transfer tool. Skip this one if you need industrial-grade runtime or are pumping large volumes daily. For weekend warriors, it's a great balance of power and portability. Product number 4, SOLLON 12V inline fuel pump. Now, if you're working on a lawn mower, small tractor, or older vehicle with a carburetor, the SOLLON 12V inline fuel pump is a quiet workhorse. At just $12.69, it's one of the most affordable inline pumps out there. And with 500 plus sold last month, it's clearly filling a need. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It outputs 2.5 psi, which is perfect for carbureted engines that need gentle fuel delivery. Too much pressure causes flooding, this avoids that. It flows 30 gallons per hour, has a built-in check valve to prevent backflow, and mounts easily with 2 bolts. The brass construction feels sturdy, and it's designed to fit tight spaces under hoods or decks. Now, some people complained about minor oil residue inside the pump when it arrived. Here's the thing though, the manufacturer says that's from factory testing, not prior use. It's normal and the pump works fine after a quick wipe. This is perfect for you if you're maintaining small engines and need a no-nonsense replacement. Skip this one if you're running fuel injection or need high-pressure delivery. For the price, it's a reliable fix that won't let you down. Product number 5, ENGINEMAN Carburetor 12V Pump. Finally, if you want premium build quality and consistent performance, the ENGINEMAN electric fuel pump stands out. At $32.09, it's one of the pricier options here. But with copper windings, vibration damping, and a full installation kit, it's built to last. If you want a pump that starts reliably every time, even in cold weather, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The copper motor draws only 1 2A, preventing voltage drops that can kill small electrical systems. It delivers a steady 2.3, 5 psi and 28 GPH, ideal for carbureted cars, trucks, and generators. The included mounting bracket, fuel filter, and hoses mean you can install it in under 30 minutes. Plus, the 45 degrees mounting design keeps fuel ready for instant starts. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a classic car, boat, or backup generator, that precision and reliability matter. But if you're just topping off a mower, you're paying for features you won't use. This is perfect for you if you need dependable performance in critical applications. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only doing light-duty tasks. For the build quality and included extras, it's a strong value. So which electric fuel pump should you buy? If you need portability and safety, go with FEDRON. On a budget for small engines, JDMSPED or SOLLON will do the job. For off-grid flexibility, QEOSI shines. And if you want durability and precision, ENGINEMAN is worth the extra cost. No single pump is perfect for everyone, but one of these is definitely right for you.